Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro 17 for free on RHEL operating systems. Open any web browser, then go to vmware.com. Now click on the search box and search for desktop hypervisor. So click on desktop hypervisor, then click on desktop hypervisor, then click on VMware Workstation Pro for PC. Click on download now. Then it will ask us to sign in. Now here we have to provide username if you have already registered. If you haven't registered, then click on login, then click on register. Then you have to provide the information and you have to register. Then you can come to this page again. That is, click on Workstation Pro for PC, then download. If you click on download, it will come to this page. Then provide the email or username that you have given. Then click on next. Again click on next. Provide the password of the user. Click on sign in. Now click on this drop down. Then select the VMware Cloud Foundation. Then scroll down. See here we have the VMware Workstation Pro. Click on it. Now see here we have the VMware Workstation versions from 15 to 17. 17 is the latest one. So click on VMware Workstation Pro for Linux. See here we have the latest version, that is 17.6.1. So click on it. Sometimes here you have to check the checkbox, that is acceptance. Okay. For now it is not there, but for you it may be there. Okay. So then only we will be able to click on this download button. So click on download. See, download started and its size is 372 megabytes. Wait until download completes. And see here the file name is .bundle. Okay. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download CD. Downloads. See, we have .bundle file. So to install we have to make this file as executable. So run the command sudo chmod +x, then vm, give the tab to autofill, hit enter. ls, see, color has been changed, now it is executable file. Before installing we have to run the sudo dnf install gcc make. Run this command and hit enter. Type and hit enter. Ctrl A. Also install this tool like group install this one. I will keep this command also in the video description. Type and hit enter. It is done. Now install the executable file. Now install it. Sudo /vm, give the tab, hit enter. See, installation was successful. Now go to start. After installation, ls, remove this file, rm, vm, give the tab, hit enter. Now click on accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click on next. Again accept it and click on next. I don't want, so click on no and next. I don't want, so next. See, now as I told you earlier, VMware Workstation 17 Pro for free, only for personal use. If you want commercial use, you have to provide the license key. So select the personal use, it is for free. So click on finish. Provide the password of the account. Click on OK. See, this is the VMware Workstation 17 Pro. Click on help. Then click on about VMware Workstation. See, we have installed VMware Workstation 17 Pro and it is the version number. Okay. Click on close. If you want to create a new virtual machine, you have to click on this create a new virtual machine. Then you have to fill all the details. Next. Then you have to select the IS1 and others. Okay. Or click on file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro 17 for free on RHEL operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.